Mastering Everyday English. Weeding the Garden, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase you might hear or use if you're involved in outdoor activities or gardening: weeding the garden. This phrase is not only about gardening but also holds metaphorical meaning in everyday conversation. Let's unravel its layers together. When we talk about weeding the garden, we're referring to the process of removing unwanted plants, known as weeds, from a garden. Weeds are plants that grow where they're not wanted, often competing with cultivated plants for resources like sunlight, water, and nutrients. Weeding is crucial for maintaining a healthy and visually appealing garden, ensuring that the plants you want to grow can thrive without competition. Why is weeding so important? Beyond the obvious reason of keeping the garden looking neat, weeding has several critical benefits. Prevents disease. Weeds can harbor pests and diseases that might spread to other plants. Conserves nutrients. By removing weeds, you ensure that the nutrients in the soil go to the plants you're trying to grow, not the invaders. Improves growth. Without competition, your garden plants get all the sunlight, water, and nutrients they need, leading to healthier growth. Interestingly, weeding the garden can also be used metaphorically in English. In a non-literal sense, it refers to the act of removing unnecessary or unwanted elements from one's life. This could be anything from bad habits to toxic relationships, symbolizing the idea of making room for growth and improvement by eliminating negative influences. We hope this exploration of weeding the garden has been enlightening. Whether you're literally taking care of your garden or using the phrase to describe personal growth, it's a wonderful example of how language can reflect both our physical and emotional landscapes. Keep nurturing your language skills like a beautiful garden, and don't forget to weed out the obstacles that hinder your growth. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.